The pathway is 3 courses, and it's based off of engineering design. And so the focus starts off in the first course learning about the design process and a little bit more about that and some design software, and then leads into a little bit more challenging subject matter, in particular some engineering, mathematical stuff, and then basically learning about all the different types of engineering there are and what would that kind of entail. Essentially a survey course to learn a little bit about each type. And then finally the capstone course, in which students combine what they learn in the first year course, the second year course, to kind of do an entire year project that they develop themselves. This coursework is really for both students that decide to go into either to go get a 4-year degree, or whether they need to get a 2-year degree, or maybe go into some sort of other type of schooling. It's really a good course if you like to work with your hands and you want to pursue something that's a little more technical, and you want to explore what the options are and see what level you really find yourself acclimated to. If you're a little bit artistic but maybe not an artist, if you're maybe one of the students who really enjoys your math class but you want to know why do I use this, why do I want to know how this applies, all those types of students do really well in here. Majority of the students that come to the pathway, everyone leaves at least loving and being able to do something with their hands. They have some takeaways, some projects we do in here. They can point to something and be pretty proud of what they've accomplished. Oftentimes they become great presenters. Some students aren't sure what they want to do just yet, but they do know they want to go into a technical field, and they find that out here, which is kind of cool, because at first they said, I didn't know I wanted to do this, and now this is what they get to do. We can find a way to get you involved in the pathway. A couple folks you want to get a hold of: myself. You can get a hold of me on my website, or you can get a hold of me through the links page on Buchanan's website. Our leader of our pathway, Miss Dansby, is a great contact point. And then any other folks in our counseling department here at Buchanan, they can get you directed towards us.